back to my channel. So this video is going to be a demonstration of a schooling that me and Lisa did with Maple and Evie. So Lisa's trying to get Maple used to other horses, so she's just put Maple's tack on, making sure it all flaps around so that she gets used to it, and is just walking around while I train Evie. Evie was in a very stubborn mood today. She decided that she wanted to be all bendy and soft when we was walking, but all she ever wants to do is canter. So you'll see further into the video that she does take off quite often. It's never aggressive or actually like napping and taking you to the gate or anything like that. It can be any direction. If she wants to canter, she likes to canter. So we're trying to do a lot of work towards that. So as you can see here that I'm actually kind of bending her around cones, trying to get her listening to me. My position in this video is not very good because I'm concentrating on Evie, so I do apologise about that. So now I'm just trotting her around. She is a trotter, so she's very off balance and she rushes. You see here that we're having a few issues with her deciding that canter is more fun than trotting. So as she does struggle with certain leads in the canter, I will sometimes keep her going. So you'll see further into the video that she starts cantering and I decide just to keep her going, just because if we're on a good lead and she's actually doing it very well, I'll make that into the exercise. You can see while trotting that Evie's legs are all over the shop. We are working on this by doing a lot of lunge work, and she does amazingly when there's no rider. Once you put a rider, it's adding an extra weight, so it's more work for her to balance. So we're working through it. So if you just saw, she done a little, all I was asking her to do was go into a trot, and she decided to go straight from a walk straight up into a canter. Now when she does things like this, I will correct her and I'll bring her straight back down to a trot. So you can see that I'm just trotting her around the edge, trying to keep her calm, and again she's gone up into the canter. This time I'm going to circle her, and I don't care whether she trots or canters this circle, I will just bring her back round until she finds it uncomfortable and will stop, because she struggles with circles, as this is something she's got to think about with her balance. So this is me just calming her back down, so I'm getting her to do a little exercise in the pole. This instantly brings her mood straight back down from canter and helps us to actually work through getting some trotting done. And you'll see here that Evie is still very tense and worked up from cantering. She wants to do a lot more. She would love to just run laps and laps and laps around the school. You can see that I'm trying to keep her calm, just trying to walk her, and Evie decides we have other plans, so I'm just taking her in a circle to try and calm her down. So I'm letting her have this canter. I didn't really have too much choice in it because she wanted to run down to school. And you can see Lisa laughing at my emergency brake at the gate. So now I'm just walking Evie back up to school because I'd really like it if she would keep calm and if we could do it in a calmer manner. So if she wants to canter, we can canter, but she has to do it my way. You can see I'm trying to keep her under control here and having a bit of issue actually keeping her in a straight line. And just as Evie always is, we have no control, no brakes. Evie wants to canter, so we're cantering. And here is a GoPro footage of this.
Good, good. What was that for? Evie! Why? 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 Evie! Why? Actual work done, Evie, not just take off. Excuse me. Oh, for God's